So to start off, we found this vintage on the Screen Stars Miami Hurricanes, national champions, 91. Found some camo pants for myself. You guys know I love camo. That's all I basically wear. Currently wearing camo, so I got these for myself. I gotta look this up. There's a soccer jersey. Another pair of camos for myself. Gotta check the size though. Denim jacket, I think I'm gonna put back because there's no brand on it. This I looked up. I don't think it has a brand on it either, so I'm probably gonna put that back. Then we have some more camo down here for myself. It's like rain jacket, and then these military issued overalls. Gotta see what size they are though. This Nike really nice color green embroidered, and then we have a Carhartt jacket. Seems like it's brand new though.
How you doing? How you doing?
All set whenever you're ready.
Almost done?
Yeah, I'm done. Carhartt jacket. This Huff denim jacket has really nice embroidery on it. Huff Worldwide with a little like Grim Reaper. Found this North Face women's jacket. I'm getting this for myself, Zara Bomber. It almost reminds me of like Off-White, how it has the buckles and everything. The zipper is kind of janky, but I think I can maybe put some coconut oil and loosen it up, so I'm getting that for myself. And then I'm gonna get these to do custom painted jeans. I'm actually wearing a pair that I did the other day, so I'm gonna keep doing that. I got these 2 washer, size 34. Really nice light colored jeans, so we'll get both of these. What up? Did you guys sell the 13 by chance? Or you still got it?
Which ones?
Either one. Just any 13.
I have Ochres.
The ochre, can I check them out?
Yeah. I think those are 13. Yeah, these are 13.
I didn't bring these last time. I don't know if you guys are interested.
Beat out the store credit.
Yeah?
Yeah, they're like an 11. Like
They fit like an 11.
I'm
they
saying
run
if it was
small.
an 11 to fit a 10.
Oh, okay.
Then we'll kind of give you an offer for cash.
Okay.
But I mean, I don't mind giving you store credit towards that.
Yeah, it's just $250. I would have to put a 100 on top. It's just a little.
Yeah. It's just a little pricey because they're on consignment.
Oh, okay, that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it was like the storage part, would have been like, I'll give me like $50 and we'll do it.
Yeah.
You don't have any vintage clothes or anything?
Yes and no. I've been clearing out a lot. I'm moving, so I've been like doing bulk sales and shit. So
I mean, if you got like things left over, we'd be more than happy to buy.
Okay.
Because we buy a lot of personal for vintage.
yeah, I was going to say obviously you don't sell it, so
Yeah.
be for personal.
Yeah,
Okay.
We buy mostly all the vintage that comes in, we just buy for personal. We don't even sell it anymore.
Okay, cool.
So I mean, if you have any leftover things that you just want to get rid of, that you don't have time to do, like you don't have time to go and sell it to people, we'll be more happy to buy it off you. What up?
All right, bro. I appreciate your help.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man.
Have a nice day.
So I came to a parking garage because less wind. So first I'm gonna mask it off. I'm gonna do the 150. I think I'm gonna do the Texas edition. I'm definitely gonna do the Ford emblem, flex fuel, and then I'll do the front. So let's start masking this off. All right, now we got all the labels or emblems taped off. Now let's start getting the Plastidip and into work. Now we wait between coats. Give it about 5 minutes or so, and then I'll do a next one. All right, 1 more minute left between 5 minutes. Usually they say like 5 to 10 minutes, but with me living in Florida, it dries pretty quickly. So I'm gonna do another coat all the way around, then I'll do another 5 minutes. So let's see. All right, 5 minutes later, we're gonna do our, this is gonna be the 3rd coat. I think I'm gonna do about 4 or 5 coats, you know, whatever it really takes. But as I'm going, I'm putting, you know, thicker coats as I go. That looks like it's almost done because it's such a small spot. All right, we're doing number 4. I think probably after this one we'll probably be done. Probably 5 coats should be enough, but I am gonna look at it in light because it's hard to see with all right, this is gonna be my first or my final last coat. 5 coats. I looked at the flashlight and it's looking good, but I'm just gonna do one more just to secure it.